Hello friends. In this video, we'll learn the methods and steps of analyzing a public company that's listed in a US stock exchange. We'll also learn the tools available and how to use these tools. Using public SEC filing to analyze a company is a very important step for any investors who is starting to invest in stock market or who is already a seasoned investor in the stock market. Public companies must meet stringent reporting requirements set out by SEC. For those who are not aware of what SEC is, it's Securities and Exchange Commission. So public companies are required to meet the stringent reporting requirements. They need to file an annual 10K reports with SEC and a quarterly 10Q reports with SEC. Each stock exchange also has specific financial and reporting guidelines that govern whether a stock is allowed to be listed for trading or not. So we'll go through a common website or a tool that's available on internet. It's a website of US Securities and Exchange Commission. You need to go to www.sec.gov, and when you go to their website, you will see there are news on the website about the SEC, the spotlights, request for public commission, and a lot of other information that can help you to get started with investing. But for the purpose of this course, we'll go through how to find a listed company on SEC website and how to review their reports. So for our test case, we'll take the example of a Chipotle. Chipotle is a Mexican grill having number of stores serving the Mexican food in US. When you enter a Chipotle, on the screen, on the home screen, on the top right, you enter the company name, select the company filings, hit go, and there you see Chipotle Mexican Grill. Make sure that this is the company that you are looking for and interested to review or analyze how is it doing. You will see number of documents filed by this company with SEC. 10Q is the quarterly report that's filed by the company, and you can search for the 10K report by scrolling down, clicking on the next button where it will show you other documents filed by the company, and here you go, you see a 10K report, which is an annual filing by the company. Another way you can also search for a particular document is just enter in filing type 10-K and say search, and here you go, it shows you only all the 10K reports filed by the company. So if you observe, it's filed annually. The last report filed by Chipotle was in the month of February 2012. You have a number of ways to review the documents. Either hit the document tab directly or interactive data if available. My favorite is interactive data. It gives you some more functionalities and feature to scroll through the data. So let's hit interactive data. When you click it, it opens the details. It continues to show that it's showing the documents related to Chipotle Mexican Grill. Document type 10K. Common equity shares outstanding is shown here in the column, and entity public float is shown here in a column. You can go to the financial statements and click consolidated balance sheet to review the financial data and review the balance sheet as of February 2012 as posted by Chipotle Mexican Grill to SEC. The next steps are mainly preliminary for you to review the balance sheet, see how the company is doing in terms of revenue, liabilities, and how is the stakeholder equity built into. So this is a very important step for you to analyze a public company, and as and when you do more of this analysis, you will eventually become a seasoned expert in analyzing any public company. But again, first step, look at the financials, and make sure that company is a solid company and it's worth for your investment. All right, thank you very much for this session, and we'll see you in another session. Thanks, bye.